What you're about to see today is one of the most intense stages of the Camp Nou transformation so far. From a 40-ton compression ring section being lifted with absolute precision, to non-stop activity across multiple zones of the stadium, everything is moving at a completely different level right now. Crane TC3 is in action. Facade systems are taking shape. Structural cores are evolving, and even the finishing zones are starting to show real progress. This isn't just construction anymore. It's a full-scale engineering machine in motion. So let's break it down step by step. We start from Gol Sud, where the compression ring is progressing at an incredible pace with 124 massive sections forming the structure. A 40-ton, 9-meter-long section was being positioned as Crane TC3 prepared for the lift. What seemed routine quickly turned into a spectacular engineering moment. The piece was exceptional, a hybrid design combining a box and radial beam with outstanding scale and precision. Above, workers fine-tuned every bolt and alignment with extreme accuracy to ensure a perfect fit. Overall, every area of the stadium is showing steady progress, with development advancing day by day across all sections. We are moving to the North Goal, where we bring you an interesting update from this area. The North Goal corner remains one of the busiest technical zones today. Around 5 aerial platforms are operating simultaneously, installing and aligning guide systems for facade llamas. These guides run both vertically and horizontally, and are now clearly visible across the structure. Painting continues on surrounding steelwork, while additional materials are being positioned. We are now at the Gol Norte, where work in the upper section is still on hold due to pending painting on beams, bolts, and structural elements that must be completed before any llamas installation can continue in that area. In contrast, the lower false ceiling zone is actively progressing, with llamas being installed using cranes and aerial platforms, as workers continue the step-by-step placement and alignment of panels across this section. In the central Gol Norte area, most sandwich panels appear to be installed, although final adjustments are still ongoing using an aerial platform, as workers continue positioning smaller panels into the mobility core openings, where some gaps are still being carefully aligned and prepared for final fitting. We are now at the Tribuna Terrace, where a crane is lifting a smaller structural piece for installation, which is not a major connector, but part of the supporting framework being positioned with precision. On the left side, vertical supports are already in place, while some connecting elements are still missing on the right section, and workers are preparing with aerial platforms to complete the remaining installations. The lifted piece is being moved toward the upper slab area, where it will be fixed beneath the alveolar slabs near the escalator zone, marking another step forward in the ongoing structural work. We are now at the diamond store area where yesterday work was already done on the glass connection profiles using an aerial platform. And today, again a worker has returned with the lift, suggesting that some final adjustments are still pending even though the structure looks almost complete. A truck is also seen carrying structural pieces, but it is still unclear where exactly these elements will be installed, indicating ongoing material movement and finishing work in this section. In the corner zone, activity remains relatively light, although a crane is still in motion in the background, suggesting ongoing material handling at higher levels. Most workers are positioned along railings or upper areas with limited active installation, showing that this part of the site is currently in a slower but continuous finishing phase. The third tier is showing strong and steady progress, with its structure now clearly taking shape across multiple sections of the stadium, giving it a more defined and advanced look. Most of the structural installation is already completed, and the area is now clearly moving toward the next stage, where seating installation is expected to begin very soon. Overall, it stands out as a well-developed and fast-evolving section, marking an important step in the stadium's ongoing construction. And that's everything from today's update at Camp Nou. From the massive lift in Gol Sud to the ongoing facade work in the North Goal, every zone is showing clear progress. The stadium is becoming more detailed and more impressive with each passing day. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily updates. We'll be back very soon, because here things are moving fast every single day. See you in the next one. Visca Barça.